Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome one more time to DeFi Daily. Today, guys, I bring you a very interesting video, and we're going to be covering ASTROPORT. If you haven't heard about it, ASTROPORT is going to be the first decentralized exchange in the Terra ecosystem. Yes, guys, it's going to be the first AMM, and as you know, Terra has been having an amazing behavior as a blockchain, and its native token Luna, it's number 9 right now in CoinGecko, with a huge increase in the last 7 days of more than 50% in its price. Let's check out the price graph, and as you can see here, this is a 1-year graph. I mean, for those of you guys who were actually lucky enough to enter in January, well, the token was $1. Actually, I entered, I think it was in February, yeah, when it was about $5. So I've also made very good profits with this coin. If we zoom in into the 7 days graph, we can see that, well, the token 1 week ago was $63 approximately. Today, it reached an all-time high above the $100, and I think currently right now it's trading around $95, $96, which is also very good. And the most important thing about this blockchain, guys, is that it's still in early stages. As you can see, they're a decentralized exchange. It's only about to launch. Market cap, it's above 35 billion, so big, but there's still room for growth. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to participate in the launch of ASTROPORT. Let's take a quick look at DeFi Llama first, where we can see that Terra Luna has positioned itself as the second largest blockchain in terms of TVL, total value lock, in DeFi protocols, just behind Ethereum, which is an amazing, amazing result. We can also see, I mean, if we go check out the tokenless products that may airdrop, we can see that ASTROPORT is positioned number 3 with more than $1 billion locked. So guys, it's going to be a very interesting opportunity, and here in DeFi Daily, we're going to show you how to take full advantage of it and make sure that you do it quickly because there's only 12 hours left. Let's go check it out, guys. Before we actually start, I want to remind you that if you're liking this type of content where we bring you projects like this, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, and make sure that you also leave your comments and questions because I'm going to take the time to answer each and every of them. Please also remember that nothing included in this channel is financial advice, so you need to make sure that you make your own research before deciding whether you want to invest or not in these projects. So let's start, guys. ASTROPORT, the first decentralized exchange and AMM in the Terra ecosystem. I mean, guys, no need to say, Terra is probably one of the most promising blockchains out there, and this project, ASTROPORT, it's backed and it's supported by the main or core Terra team. In this case, you can see Doc One, one of the founders and visible head of the project, supports publicly on Twitter the project. Congrats ASTROPORT 5 for reaching $1 billion in total value locked. I mean, guys, for me, that is huge, and if you want to participate, you can do it by clicking here in AstroDrop is live. It will take you to this page that is the main page of the ASTROPORT launch, and remember that you need to have your Terra Station wallet connected. If you don't know how to connect this one, don't worry, I'll leave in the top right corner a video where I teach you step by step how you can actually set up your own wallet, your own Terra Station wallet. If we scroll down below, we're going to see this instructions for phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Right now, we are on phase 2. Phase 1 was finished already, and in case you were able to participate, congratulations, you already have some ASTROPORT tokens. For those of you guys who didn't participate, in phase 1, you could provide liquidity in the form of Luna, BLUNA, and obtain Astro tokens in exchange. Now in phase 2, don't worry, you still have a chance to participate, even though you don't have Astro tokens. So in this case, phase 2 is going to work in the following way. You're going to provide either Astro tokens, or you're going to have the possibility to provide as well UST tokens, right? Because these are going to be deposited in an Astro UST liquidity pool, and we are going to obtain, in exchange of providing liquidity here, Astro rewards. So very easy, guys. You just need to have either Astro or UST tokens in your wallet. You click here, you come to this page. You're going to be able to see here a timer. That's the time left for phase 2 to finish. But be careful, guys, because only in the first 5 days we're going to be able to deposit liquidity and participate in this phase. So in the moment I launch the video, you will probably have only 12 hours to do this. So if you want to participate, you have to do it quick, guys. In the last 2 days, you're not going to be able to participate. As you can see here, in my case, I already have 304 Astro rewards. I mean, there's two sources where I obtained this Astro. The first one was through the airdrop, and the second one was on phase 2. Like I mentioned before, in phase 1, I actually deposited vide LUNA into this protocol, right, in order to obtain Astro. But I also got them from an airdrop, and this was just by interacting since September with the Terra ecosystem, guys. So if you also were in the Terra ecosystem in Anchor protocol, or using Terra Station and staking your Luna, you might also have the right to claim some Astro tokens as part of this airdrop. For those of you who don't know what Anchor protocol is, I'm also going to leave here in the top right corner a video with a detailed step-by-step teaching you how to use it. If you were already in the Terra ecosystem, it's very easy. You just need to copy your wallet address like this, and you need to paste it over here. And by clicking on the button check, it will automatically tell you if you're eligible for an Astro airdrop. It's very easy, guys. Go check it out, because maybe you already have Astro tokens. Now, if we want to participate, first of all, just to let you know, there's already 42 million UST that have been locked as part of this phase, and as you can see, also 20 million Astro locked. Taking the number of USTs and the number of Astro that people has locked into this bootstrapping pool, the team is calculating that the price of one Astro token is 2.10 UST. I wouldn't really pay a lot of attention to this, because I think once the token is launched, the price will definitely, move depending on the supply and the demand. But what is interesting is this number here, 25% almost. This is what we are earning immediately in the moment of providing liquidity as a reward in Astro tokens. So that's the interesting number, guys. It will probably also change as more people invest into this phase. The price will go down. But if you want to do it, click here, provide liquidity, and we're going to get into this page. In here, we have the option of depositing Astro and depositing UST. And therefore, there are multiple strategies that we could follow. There's some things that it's important to take into consideration when investing or putting our Astro or our UST dollars into this pool, right? Into this bootstrapping event. The first thing is that the pool is an Astro UST pool. So always the tokens that we invest are going to be divided 50% in Astro and 50% in UST. Another important thing is that these LP tokens are unlocked in a period of 90 days, and it's going to be a linear unlock period, right? So once you deposit, you need to take into consideration that your tokens are going to be locked for 90 days. So like I said, multiple strategies. Strategy number 1, deposit only Astro tokens, right? If you received Astro tokens in phase 1, you can deposit Astro tokens. But remember, it's an Astro UST pool. So 50% of the tokens that I invest are going to actually be sell into UST in order to be able to provide that 50% Astro, 50% UST. So if you provide only Astro, bear in mind that 50% of the tokens are going to be sold. Now, second option, you could provide USTs and you could provide also Astro. If you provide the same amount, 50 and 50, well, then that's okay. Another option is you could provide only USTs, right? What would happen here? That 50% of those USTs would be converted into Astro, so that there is a 50%, 50%. And in this case, right, you can see over here the total amount of rewards that I would obtain by investing, for example, 500 USTs. What am I going to do, guys? What's going to be my personal strategy? I'm going to invest actually 200 Astro, and I'm going to leave 100 Astro because I want to check how the price of the token behaves in the moment of the launch. And if the price goes up, I will probably sell and take some profits. But for this, I'm going to invest 200, so 186 and 14, and then I'm going to keep 200 additional UST dollars that I have in my wallet that I'm also going to invest into the project. So this is going to be the Astro rewards that I'm going to obtain, almost 80, right, by investing 200 Astro and 200 USTs. And you can see here that in May of 2022, my tokens are actually going to be free, right? It's going to end the lock period. So you click here, provide liquidity, and you will need to confirm the transaction and also approve the transaction in your Terra Station wallet. And with that, guys, we have actually provided successfully liquidity to the launching of the ASTROPORT token, and we're going to be obtaining Astro tokens as a reward. Guys, I hope you like it. Make sure that you do this fast because this phase is about to finish. Of course, this is not financial advice. You need to make your own research, and remember that you need to use your Terra Station wallet. With these guys, we've reached the end of today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you hit the like button, and also leave your comments and questions, and I'll take the time to answer them. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you on the next video of DeFi Daily. Bye-bye.